Hey, it's Mr. Bone again with the sixth grade essential questions. And our third essential question this year is, how do weather and climate affect people? So, first of all, what do I need to know in order to answer this question? You probably need to know what is the difference between weather and climate. We've talked about that a little bit already, and you probably have some idea about that from science classes. How can weather affect you, your family, your community? So weather being that daily thing, it probably affects the things like the kinds of clothes you wear, the activities you feel like you're going to do that day, and maybe even the resources that you'll end up using that day, whether you have turned on the air conditioning or the furnace, or you have to use some other mode of transportation because you don't feel like walking in the rain. B, how can climate affect you, your family, and your community? Again, we have to take a look at all those things, and it can still affect your activities. We don't do a lot of snowmobiling in the summer here in Michigan, as well as we probably don't do a lot of water skiing in January. The types of houses that we build have to be built differently than they are, let's say, in Florida or southern Texas. The vehicles that we drive, maybe some of us are a little more aware of having a four-wheel drive vehicle, or we talk about how well does your vehicle handle the snow and the ice when we make a decision of what to buy, as well as where do we choose to live. I know I've heard of many people who can't wait to move out of Michigan and get to somewhere that's warm all year long because they don't like the snow and the cold. So that climate can be affecting where they choose to do those things. So I hope that this really helps you with the essential question this time through. And as we say in our hometown, Husky is spelled with an IE.